starting to hurt my hands from the impact. Is that on?
My name's Mark. This is the bike trail.
I'm propelling myself.
Yeah. Oh, look at that.
Huh?
Look at these little guys. Nature, bitch.
You don't see that every day.
Not in Westchester. But America. America. Yo, if you want to scare people, the call box, you just you get red paint, put it on your hands, and put it on the side of it. People are like, oh. Damn it.
I want to do a wheelie. Oh man, it hurts from like smacking the front wheel down.
Is this the waterproof case? Are you done?
Yeah. Doesn't take long.
Stand on top of that rock and just flash people, see how many cars we could get to beep at us. Should we try it?
That's a big ass rock.
It is. We could totally do it.
I'm gonna flash people.
Be like, woo! I guarantee we'll get people to beep at us. Should we do it? Yeah, let's do it. That's a long way down.
How are we gonna get back up?
Walk. Oh my god. This was a terrible idea. The ground is so soft. Yeah? Oh, I got this. Don't. It's a trap. Oh my god. I can't wait to watch the video of this. Here, pull the bike. Save the bike.
Tree.
You got the brake on.
I know. I did that for a reason.
Be strong, little root. I'm good. I'm good. I move earth. That was a terrible idea. Oh wait, we could have gone down right there. Oh my god, I'm covered.
Get up.
I love how I just recorded all of that. I was just like, ah!
Do I go back down? Pretty sure nobody's gonna want to watch that shit for like 20 minutes.
It's only been 6 minutes and 58 seconds. We can make it a movie. Be like epic adventure with a plot and twists and turns and someone almost dies. Oh, he's doing it the right way. Do a kickflip. Oh shit.
That CoStar?
No.
What?
CoStar's a silver building. It was all the way down there.
Oh shit.
Why, you wanted to go there?
We should have. For the video now.
We had to go straight across. We got to get in the car and drive there.
You got dirt all over my board.
Yeah, well, I got dirt all over me. Because you told me it'd be a good idea to go down to that rock.
I said no.
It was definitely your idea.
It's a rear view mirror.
Yeah. You probably see my ass hanging out. Or Cody jogging the trail. Actually, maybe we shouldn't go to Corstar.
Huh?
Well, we're not going to go to Corstar.
Why? Don't make you do things?
Huh?
Don't make you do things?
No, because I bailed on Alex today. I don't want to go there and then he'll be like, what are you doing? He's not there. But Steve could be. Seriously?
Yeah, don't drive like crazy fast.
There's bikers coming. I'm nervous.
Well, me for six or bump.
Bump.
Significant bump.
This is a significant bump. What's up?
You do it faster than this. Too fast.
Really?
No. Dan, look at that car. That's a sick
Holy
Mustang.
shit.
Dude, that is a sweet Mustang.
Dude. That car must have crashed into the freaking cop car. Oh my god. That's insane. I've never seen why? They're good cars. Oh my god, look at the cop car. Dude, obliterated. And look at that. Audi. That must be the impound lot over there.
Why would they want to impound that?
Could have been drugs or someone died. Well, I'm trying to accelerate, but I don't want to accelerate too fast and you eat the blacktop.
You won't. If anybody falls, it's going to be me.
Yeah, but I don't want you to eat the
I'll
blacktop.
do it. I'm still young. I feel sick.